so glittery. Wow. Hey, it's Michaela. If you're new here, my name is Michaela. I post like once every 6 months. Basically what I'm going to be doing today is kind of a fun, just bright, creative look. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet, but I was bored, so I was like, I'm going to film something for you guys. So here I am. First things first, I gotta take off all of this makeup, so I will be right back. I kinda just wanted to do a little like chit chat, like get ready with me almost, but like I'm not getting ready for anything because it's 10 o'clock at night. And after this, I'm probably just going to go to bed, but you know, to check your renders me. And you're watching me go from like a strong 6.5 down to a 1. I do want to mention I do have self-tanner on, that's why my neck and hands and arms are darker than my face. So that's why. Also, if you see it like on my wrist, it's because I suck at putting it on. So what can you do? Start out by prepping my skin with the Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist. This has argan oil, it has a few oils in it, but it really just gives your skin a dewy, fresh look, and it smells really good, and it just leaves my skin feeling great. And you can use this as a primer, setting spray, freshening spray throughout the day. It's really up to you. It's pretty versatile. I got this like 2 weeks ago, and look how much it's already gone. For brows, I'm going to be going in with my tried and true Anastasia Brow Wiz. I use the color dark brown for my brows, but I'm not kidding, this is the best thing ever. Now I'm going to carve out my brows using the NYX Scotchy Covered Concealer. This concealer is so full coverage, and it's like so great for the price of it. I'm a little annoyed because I used to be able to get it at my local drugstore, but they stopped selling it in the drugstore, and the Ulta I live by is super far away from me, so that sucks, but I'll do it because I love it so much. I'll be setting my eyes with the Marc Jacobs, what powder is this? Perfection powder. Just a translucent powder. I like that. Just set that concealer in place so it doesn't move. And it'll also give us a nice light base for the bright colors we're about to put on our eye. Now, what bright, fun colored eyeshadow would be great without the Morphe 35B palette? This palette is amazing. If you don't have it, you should go get it. It has just about every color you would ever want in the world. Kind of want to stay away from the warm tones because like everybody's doing that nowadays. So I think I'm going to do more something like this. What's been going on in my life lately? Basically, I've been trying to do makeup more often. Like within like the regular 5-day work week that I have. Just trying to do it as much as I can. I got a website for myself all up and running. So that's exciting. If you want to go check that out, I will link it right down below. I'm going to pack on green in the center of my lid here. packing brush and set all of that concealer that we just put. We're going to do a little bit of a green ombre effect in the crease area. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of glitter on the inner corner and then do a line of liquid glitter across the crease. So I'm back. This is what the finished eyes look like so far. I'm definitely going to add some underneath stuff that'll connect all this underneath, but let's move on to my foundation for right now. Because I am wearing self-tanner right now and my skin is a lot darker, I'm going to be going in with a darker foundation than I normally use, so I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend foundation in the shade I5. It's this one, and then I'm also going to use the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation. This is their shade Ivory, but I find that the shade is so dark. So I'm going to mix the two of these together, and if I need something darker than that, I'm still getting used to being darker than I normally am. I'm going to be mixing all of it with the Bye Bye foundation by It Cosmetics. And this is in the shade Medium. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Conceal concealer. This is in the shade Light, but again, I feel like this is a little bit darker than Light. For my under eyes, I'm using my Marc Jacobs. I'm using my Marc Jacobs Perfection Powder, and then the rest of my face with my Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in the shade Light 01. And for bronzer today, I'm going to try out the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I've heard great things about this, and I wanted to buy it anyway for my makeup kit because I have the Physicians Formula Glow Boosting Bronzer, which is really, really great. I love it. I use it like every day, but not everybody wants glow to their makeup. So this is what it looks like. It looks like this. Oh my gosh, it smells so, oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like Hawaii coconuts. And of course for actual contour, I'm going to be using my NYX contour kit, like this. I'm just going in with these. I mixed these two. While we're baking, we're going to put on some blush. I'm going to be using a Tarte blush in the shade Party. Now for highlight, I'm going to use, nope, I'm not going to use Champagne Pop. I'm going to use Opal because we used cooler tones on my face. So let's use cooler tones on my highlight. Alright, lashes are on. Now we just have to do something with my lips. I don't know what color I'm going to do. I'm probably going to mix something from my lip palette. I don't know what though. Because I did something pretty crazy up top, I gotta keep it neutral on the bottom. But that's pretty much it. This is what it looks like finished. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching. I was bored and thought, why not film a video? I will see you guys next time. Bye!